some hacks coming. No, we're not actually. They're not hacks. They're BOGO deals. Not really hacks because you can't do that at the Loves. We got some Craftsman BOGO deals, crazy deals. Big shout out to Tim Luce at the Deal Team 6. There's just a whole bunch of deals dropping today. It's just a crazy day. Guys, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform by subscribes and likes. Okay. So basically, this is some of the pictures that he took. Obviously, it's his stuff or pictures. Alright, so we got $99. It says here, buy any of these and get any of these for free. Get another for free. That's basically what it is. I think it's just a killer deal. If you're already on this line, guys, this is the time to stock up on these batteries, stock up on these drills, these blowers, these weed whackers, crazy deals. Check this out. The first one seems to be a 4, and a 2. Looks like a 2. Not exactly. It says right here. Yeah. So it does say right here. 4 and a 2 for $99 with the charger there. And then this one's the kit, guys. It seems like it's coming with the battery already. So this is a half an inch drill driver. Looks like it's already a kit, guys. So it's already coming with the battery. And if you choose this, you're gonna get 3 batteries. Just killer deal for 99 bucks. Same thing with this blower. This looks like it's just a blower by itself. But I'll show you guys something at the website right now. Let's see what it says. So yeah, you guys can choose that blower, or you can choose the weed whacker for 99 bucks. So if you basically buy any of these, you can choose another and just take it for that $99, which is a killer deal. All right, so we got here's another picture. You got angle grinder, you got the ratchet. So this is one of the ratchets, newer ratchets. You got the, what is that? The buffer. You got the inflator, which I would like to get the inflator. You got the, what is this? The vacuum, the jigsaw, or the fan, guys. There's killer deals on those. All right, so we're here at the website at Lowe's. We're gonna be looking at. We're here at this. It says Maxi FM 90 per hour handheld coldest electric leaf blower, battery and charger included. Guys, this is a kit. All right, so it's telling you can select a free gift. I'll leave the link down to this thing down below in the description section of this video. So you select this, the free. If it's gonna let me select it. All right, guys. So it actually deselected it. Is this slow or laggy or? All right. So yeah. So on this one, I don't know if it's the same deal as the other one, but you get to select from the reciprocating saw. You get to select from the angle grinder. You get to select from the jigsaw, the sander, the oscillating tool. It's a nice oscillating tool with the, it's like the DeWalt style with the easy blade change. You got the compact circular saw. You got the 3/8 drive colorless ratchet. You got the vacuum. You got this soldering iron bare tool. You got this, what is this, like a 35-piece variable cordless 20-volt max rotary tool. You got the fan there, and you got the inflator. You got the polisher. So guys, we're just gonna choose. Let's see here. We're gonna choose the ratchet. That's the one we want. Hopefully we can get this. So we added it to the cart. Did it say? All right. So it says view in cart. Did it? Okay, view in cart. Guys, you guys are seeing what I'm seeing? $79 for the blower kit. And you're going to get the free tool. So that's 40 bucks a piece. I'll leave you guys a link down below in the description section of this video, guys. I'm surprised because this is the first time I see this. So this is really cheap. So you guys can figure out whatever combination you want. Get yourself the better deal. Whatever you need. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Macbook to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.